Coming up next, a GP38 rebuild. Hey, welcome back. Hope everybody's doing okay. Like always, want to take this time, thank all my subscribers. For those who leave a comment, it's truly appreciate it. So I went on eBay and bought me a Williams GP38 shell and decided to convert it into my Roman-Niko railroad excursion train engine. And what I did is I taped it off, primered it, painted it, got some decals made, and I put it together. And I love the way it came out. I love the colors. Matches perfectly with the excursion train passenger cars that I made. I also took that plaque that my son gave me for Father's Day, scaled it down, and printed it out on decal paper, and I added it to the engine. I love the way it came out. It looks really nice. Well, let's put her on the track, see how she runs. Well, there she is. I hope you guys enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed making it. If you did, thumbs up, subscribe, click that little bell button. Hey, happy railroading. Bye.